Hi guys, I'm Christine Minguito, a grade 11 STEM student from Cabadbaran City National High School. In this video, I will be showing you how to distinguish simple and general annuity. So let's start. So let us first define what an annuity is. Have you experienced paying a certain amount regularly? Or do you have a condominium in which you are paying a certain amount monthly or regularly? Or do you have a cell phone plan or postpaid plan in which you are paying it for how many years at a certain amount? If yes, then that is what we call an annuity. Annuity is a sequence of equal payments made at equal intervals of time. So there are two types of annuity, which is the simple annuity and the general annuity. Simple annuity is an annuity in which the payment interval is same as the compounding interval. While the general annuity is an annuity in which the payment interval differ from the compounding interval. So let us now distinguish whether the given example is simple or general annuity. Example number 1. Joseph is renting a condominium. He is paying 5,000 per month, compounded monthly at 5% interest. Answer is simple annuity. Why? Because as you notice, the payment interval is per month and the compounded interval is monthly. So by definition, we call it as a simple annuity. Example number 2. The buyer of a lot paid 20,000 down payment and agreed to pay 15,000 at the end of each 3 months at 8% compounded quarterly. Answer is simple annuity because the payment interval is 3 months and the compounded interval is quarterly. So 3 months and quarterly are the same, so we call it a simple annuity. Mr. Elizalde is paying 17,000 monthly for 20 years, compounded semi-annually at a rate of 5%. The answer is general annuity because the payment interval is monthly and the compounded interval is semi-annually. So by definition, they are not the same, so we call it general annuity. Mr. and Mrs. Mateo bought a car to be paid 25,000 pesos monthly. The car loan has an 8% interest compounded quarterly. The answer is general annuity. Why? Because the payment interval is compounded monthly and the compounding interval is compounded quarterly. So they are not the same. So therefore, we call it as general annuity. That's all, guys. Thank you for listening.